everyone, it's Charlton. Please subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell, and like this video. That helps me to keep making videos, and I would appreciate it majorly. So, a huge cruise ship plows into a smaller, river. I don't even know what it's called, riverboat. That's a big boat too, and into basically the pier, and this is on a canal in Venice, Italy. And this happened this morning, Sunday morning, around 8:30 a.m. Italy time. It's now about 4 o'clock p.m. there, so it's about 7.5 hours ago that this happened. And there's video of it, and there's a couple very. I mean, it just keeps coming. And the whole vessel, it's blowing its horn. Something obviously went wrong, obviously. But there's a couple different videos where it's coming straight for the pier in the smaller riverboat that had like 110 people. There's people inside there, even people on the pier. The dude filming it, obviously, I'm going to play that for you in a second. It's very dramatic. It's crazy because you don't know if it's going to stop, and it just keeps coming and coming and coming. Eventually, does plow into the pier. Eventually, comes to a stop. You know, these people on the dock, I was just surprised, or the pier, they may have had nowhere to go, so they couldn't keep running towards us. In the video, I don't know, but it's totally crazy. What is the name of a river cruise? No, riverboat. There was 110 passengers on the small riverboat. It's in a canal in Venice. All right, here's the first video. It's crazy, believe me. So eventually, it does come to a stop there, and that's pretty much the extent. It goes on for another minute or so, but that's pretty much the end of the incident. It's really I'm shocked at the people that are on the pier that they're not freaking out more than they are. I mean, because you just don't know when that thing's going to stop. And I would have. I think they had nowhere to go towards us. I don't know. You know, even the dude filming it. So here's a view from the other end, from where you see it full on. There's people in there, you know, 110 people. The cruise ship had 2,700 people on it. So, you know, it's pretty crazy. You know, no fatalities or anything like that's been reported. 5 people were injured on I think the small boat, the riverboat that had the 110 people on there. The name of the cruise was MSC Cruises. Said 2,679 passengers on board this 177-foot high, 902-foot long liner, which dwarfed the Venice skyline. were approaching the terminal when the ship hit the San Basilio dock after a technical problem. Dramatic footage from the scene shows the moment the cruise ship apparently unable to halt its momentum and blaring its horn. It is crazy. So 5 people were injured. I think that's the extent of it. The collision comes days after there was um, the ship capsizing in Danube in Budapest on the river, the Danube River, where 21 people remain missing. Many were killed. Anyways, it's crazy, man. The cruise ship struck the tourist river Countess on a canal in Venice on Sunday morning. Canal is listed here. Wow. All right, well, that's the story there, man. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like down below. I'll see you in the next video. Later, man.